quick dimensions. To do quick dimensions on AutoCAD, again, I have here a multi-view drawing of a uh, top view and a front view of my shape here. And quick dimensions are great for various scenarios, just to quickly get dimensions around a shape. And um, to do that, I'll begin by going to the Annotate tab, and here under Quick Dimension, you got the icon here for it, or you can type the letters QDIM. But anyway, you click it here, and what we're about to do is what we call an ordinate style dimensioning, where there's no arrows. It's just dimensioning based off of an origin. All right. So to do this, you see the first question asks you to select the geometry to dimension. So we're going to begin by selecting this whole entire shape here. So either you can put a box around it to select it, or you can type the letters all. So I'm going to type the letters all, ALL, so that everything's selected. Once you do that, and everything's selected, you're going to press enter. And we go through a series of different options. So again, with quick dimension, you can do continuous dimensions, staggered dimensions, baseline dimensions, ordinate, and others. Well, we're going to first change what we call the datum point. The datum point is pretty much the point of origin. All right. So down here where it says datum point, we're going to select it, or you can type the letter P and press enter. That new datum point will be located here in this corner. So that's where our origin will become. Next, we're going to change our dimension style to ordinate, which is this option here. Or you can type the letter O and press enter. Next, we're going to put our snap mode on, and the program defaults to snap at every 0.5 units. So what I want to do is I want to make it skip about 2 jumps and click. And as you can see, all the dimensions beginning at 0 are counted up the x-axis. So to do this next move, we do the QDIM again. So I type Q dimension. Now this time it's asking for us to select geometry, but this time I'm not going to click on everything. We cannot quick dimension the actual dimension lines. We still have to select everything that's red. So in this case here, I gotta select the red things individually. It is important that you do not select any of the white lines, because if not, they'll disappear. So after I do my selection, I hit enter, and again I go through the same procedures again. I go down to datum point. I identify my origin being at this location here. Alright. Next, I'm going to turn on, make sure it's ordinate. So I click on that. And then lastly, I turn on my snap mode. And what I want to do is let it, jump out. As you can see, it kind of jumps in these different notches. On the second notch, and click, and as you can see, my numbers count up 0 all the way up to the top. So then lastly, we do our quick dimension again, but we only need to do this bottom section. So we go up here to quick dimensions, and it's going to ask to select geometry. We're going to select the thickness of it and press enter. As far as the datum point, we're going to change the datum point to this bottom corner here. So that'll be our origin. And then lastly, we'll change this to the ordinate style as well, and we'll bring it out. Now I can turn the snap mode on and let it jump to 2 notches and then click. So that gives us our distance there. Alright, at this time we have a completed dimension shape using the ordinate style by way of quick dimension.